welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the July 2023 Crazy Cat Lady box. So I'm sorry if I was missing from YouTube for the couple of past weeks. I've been really busy. I've been renovating, painting and everything. So that's why it's a little bit different behind me. I'm not finished at all. There's a lot of stuff missing, but it was necessary. I'm so happy with the result. Maybe I'll show you in another video if you want. But right now, let's open the box. Before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button just below the video. If you want to see other videos like this one, you can subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think of the box, of the cats, of the items, which one you prefer. So let's go open the box. So this is the box this month. Pretty normal box. So let's see what we have. So this is the little drawing this month. The featured cat artist is Iwa Maltiwa. She has an Instagram if you want to see. It's IYA Maltiwa, WA. So the theme this month is everything is meowsing. Okay, so I emptied the box for Alice. So let's see the toys. So the first toy we have is a little flower. And the second one, since I have it in my hand, is a little ball in the shape of the heart with a smiley face. So this is super cute. It's super summery. This is it like Earth Day in July? I'm not sure. I think it's in September. Maybe it's another one, but anyway, so it's super cute. I really love the flower. I think it's really pretty. I think the cats are gonna love this. And the ball, I mean, it's a ball, so of course they are going to love this. So I'm gonna remove the labels. Okay, so I removed the labels. I'm gonna be able to give that to them. The price of the toys. So the Sunny Sunflower Catnip toy was $6, and the little ball, the Earth, it was $5. So again, super cute, super soft. I really like that the way it was made. So I'm super happy about that. So good start. Let's continue. The next thing I see is this thing. It looks like a fox. Oh, is it to put a cup in? Okay, let's see. Cat can cooler. Cat can cooler. So it's soft inside. I don't know these type of things. I'm not sure like what it is. So okay, you put your can. Okay. Of course. So it's cat can cooler, $9. Keep your beverage frosty in the summer heat with this Meow Durable Cat Cooler. So you put your can of Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, 7-Up, ginger ale, whatever. You put it in this, and it's supposed to keep it cool. We'll try it. We'll see. For $9, maybe. The next thing we have is this. I'm not gonna use this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna show you. What's this? So it says, treat cats with kindness. So again, I don't have a car. It's not my car. It's my father's car, and I'm using. So I'm not gonna put this on his car. So I don't know what I'll do with this. So this is Treat Cats license plate frame. It's $16. It's plastic. I don't know if it's usually plastic. I have no idea. Show off your love for cats with this Meow Velus license plate frame. I'm gonna give it to Cat Ladybugs. This is different. This is kind of useful if you have a car. Yeah. Ouch, my. So the next thing we have is this. It's a tote bag. So it's everything is a meowsing. It's a very, very generic tote bag with something printed on it. It's cute, but it's not my favorite thing again. It's pretty large, like that. I can put this on my shoulder. It's cute. It's not, again, it's not my favorite thing. Let's see the price. This is $20. Super surprised every time with the prices of these things, just because it seems so expensive. And let's not forget I'm in Canadian dollars. This is all the prices in American, so it's more expensive. So when I say $20, I would have never paid $20. For Canadian, it's like 30 something dollars. So I would have never paid that. Never. The next thing we have is the t-shirt. It's the last item of the box. The color is so pretty. So the t-shirt is $23 as always. And let's see, I haven't seen it. This is the front. It's glued, that's why I cannot. Okay. And this is the back. Cat ladies are crazy cool. So I like the front. Not sure about the back. I don't like the font. I used to be a graphic designer in my other life. And I have a thing with fonts and the way they are written and the way things are designed. And that's not my favorite design. I don't like the way it's written. I don't like the font. I don't like that it goes from big to small. And then it does like a rounded thing. And the cool, I don't know. It feels old. It feels old school, but not like in a good way. You know? I like old school stuff. Like I have really old tables just behind me that I varnish and everything. I sanded them and everything. It's very old. I love this. But this, I'm not sure it's the kind of vintage I like, but I really love the color. I love the little cat in the front. I'm not sure about the saying. I'm not sure about the font. I'm not sure of the design, but we'll see. I'm probably gonna wear it outside. Just because it's very, very pretty. So guys, this is it. My favorite thing. What is my favorite thing? I don't have a favorite thing. Maybe the t-shirt or the toys? Yeah, the toys. I think that the sunflower toy is my favorite thing in the box, which says a lot, I think. This is it, guys. Tell me what you think. I want to know what's your favorite item in the box, or items if you have more than one. Tell me what you think of the subscription, of the box, of the toys. And don't forget to hit the like button just below the video to let YouTube know that you liked this video. It helps my channel and it helps YouTube know what kind of videos you like. Also, if you want to see other videos like this one, you can go to my channel. There's a lot of Crazy Cat Ladybugs videos, and there's a lot of things about art and about food, and you know, there's a lot of stuff. So if you like this kind of videos, subscribe to my channel so you can see what other videos I do. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I have another video coming. I'm just very busy. I'm gonna be able to edit it, I don't know when, so be patient. Bye bye.